in age. They got up to a lot of mischief when they were a little bit younger. So I will pass the mic over. I won't give away too much, but he's got a little bit of a song and dance and a little bit of an act. And I'll pass the mic over to Robin Dada. So big round of applause.
Thank you so much. So I was actually asking Naman, would you like in English or would you like in Chinese?
Chinese.
So I'll probably try in English, okay? Just to make it level-headed and equal. There's got to be no discriminations, okay? See, Salen always likes me, that's why. So I just wanted to say a few words, and then as Naman set the scene, I'm going to bring in somebody here that's not present in real form, in physical form, but somebody who is here and watching us, and that's our dad. Round of applause for Taji and Nilesh. I don't want you guys, this is not about to make you emotional, but I'm going to bring him in, okay, into this, because I'm sure, Jaise Raja Dashrath at the time, Raja Dashrath wanted to see his son inaugurated as the king, right? Didn't he? He did or not? He wanted to see his son inaugurated as the king of the world. But was he there when he got inaugurated? Yes or no?
No.
Physically he wasn't, but by the soul. And Tulsidas wrote the Chaupai, connecting him to Ramji, because Ramji was, the other way around, Dashrath was watching. So similarly, I'm imitating that Aja, Nilesh's dad, is right here, right now. And this is him now, he's gonna be talking on behalf of us, to Nilesh. Okay, so I hope you'll be with me. So I'm just taking you back to the day that, like already, Umar Bhai has already set the scene around how he was born in 1975. Now, of course, when a baby is born, there's a bit of jealousy. And who was most jealous? It was me. Why? Because now the attention is gonna go on him. Actually, there was one more in between us. After me, it was Jotin Fua. Where's Jotin Fua? Put your hand up all the way from Fiji with the whole family. Woohoo! Heavy Salobi. So after Jotin, it was Nilesh. Now all the attention is on Nilesh. The whole Gaon, my dad, Kaka, Dadas and Fuas, whoever is coming in that street, Salobi, that street, the very popular street, they grab Nilesh. And then I'm jealous. What do I do with myself? Anyway, I had to put up with that. And then guess what? After not long, when he went to class 1, like Umar Dada said, I think he didn't say enough. He was the most cleverest. He was the most smartest. He never left actually. हम उसके पीछे रहता था because उसके डांट के उसके uniform right करी motor में भारी because जाए नहीं मांगे motor में, right? At the time of going to school, he wouldn't want to go, but I'll push के भारी उसके motor में जाओ भैया school. और कभी पैदल भी ले जाए. Sometimes I used to walk with him all the way, and sometimes he'll cry all the way from home. Imagine our home to town. That's where the school was. And I'll grab him, I'll drag him, whatever. But every year, when the prize giving ceremony came, I used to be proud. Because I was the brother of the person who came first. So round of applause for Nilesh. He never left that, right? He never let down at any time, no seconds. Always first. Jotin के ख्याल है कि नहीं? Jotin सूते है बैठ के वहाँ. रीना ख्याल है? रोशनी बहनी ख्याल है बात. रोशनी बहनी भी रहती है मोटर में कभी और जो मिस हो गए तो पैदल दौड़ते जाओ संगे मोटर के. जानो तुम मोटर में है ऐसे ही बगल में रहो, ताजी कैसे करते रहो, ताजी देखते नहीं करी बिकॉज जगह नहीं है मोटर में. There is no space. So that was the initial part, okay? I said I'll do a bit of act. The second one was, he was always active, really proud of his family from day one. He was almost like Tota Dada, if you remember Tota Bhai. Yeah. He was very direct for the family, for the community, and very rich in his heart. Until now, he is very rich in his heart. He's my Lakshman actually. Round of applause for that. He's my Lakshman. I always say that proudly, and I mean it. Now, then, with all of that, we had to leave Fiji. How old was he then?
15.
How old was he then?
14.
Keep guessing.
13.
Okay, इसके दे देना $1 ला लाली. 13 and half के ना, exactly 13 years and 6 months, exactly. उसके 21st है birthday, 21st July, right? 21st से हम लोग बैठ गया है मोटर में आए कुछ दिन और प्लेन हम लोग के देरी हो गए. हम लोग 22nd के यहाँ पहुंचा ऑस्ट्रेलिया में. 22nd of January, 21st July के उसके birthday, 21st July हम लोग घर छोड़ा रहा. तो 13 years 6 months के था exactly. He's still trying to navigate, trying to make sense of the world, but now he has to leave the whole community that he was connected with, the whole community that he was comfortable with, and come to a community and start all over again. But we did that. And on that day, I remember जब हम लोग plane में बैठ गया, when we trying, this is the first time we're sitting in the plane, right? And guess what? सलेश भाई जाने हम लोग ऊपर से कौन चीज नीचे देखता है. जाना उड़ता हम, right? हम लोग. And what is Aja doing? Aja fought with everybody for what? नीलेश भाई कौन सी कुश्ती नो झगड़ा करी सा प्लेन में? वह हारमोनिया के लिए. तालियां हो जाए ताजी के. हारमोनिया को बताइस, I won't go, but I want my baja with me. And how? Not in the container, not anywhere else. With him, he said, I'll carry on my lap or I'll carry on my shoulders. That's how proud Aja was for the harmonia. And Nilesh remembers that. Anyway, he fought, he made sure we got this baja. Okay? Now. And with him, right on the top of the seat, he said, I'll carry on my lap. I don't care. And people listened to him. That's one thing he was really good at. He knew how to convince people. That was his strength. And I think Nilesh has got that too. That's how he's successful. So round of applause for Nilesh and Aja here. All right, so that's the day when we were coming here. Now we landed here. Nilesh, of course. He was so dedicated to the family again. And he just brought his family, nothing else. No money. Nothing. So I remember, खाली एक थोड़ा पीछे जाएगा. I was always proud of him and always thinking of him. In a way, I wanted him to be forever successful. I remember the first job we did. I don't know if Nilesh remembers or not. The first job we did was in Fiji. That man was so rich, right? But he negotiated with us two poor boys of the village. Right? You know how you do that? Nilesh, कितना पैसा दिस रहा हो? Yes, grass काटा रहा. तालियां हो जाए. हम लोग, we just cut grass somebody, and how much did he give? Oh, ऐसा बात नहीं बोले करार. What did you have to say that? See, he keeps it. हम सोचा रहा बात नहीं बताएगा. अच्छा चलो तुम बता दिया. That was our first job, right? Because I always was thinking of him. Even हम लोग, whenever we used to go work in the farm as well, I used to carry two knives, one for him, one for me, because he was my reflection, my shadow, always, everywhere. All right. So now when we came here, in the flight, I won't tell you what happened after the flight. When we got here, I was fully nauseated, but he was fine. And he was laughing at me. Oh, you are throwing up. That's great. I said, all right. Anyway, so after that, also, then the time came for my marriage. Where's Kaki and Kaka? Suken Kaka and Kaki. What happened was, in my wedding, so because he's going to be the Saibala means he'll be my, कौन सी बोला जाए Saibala के? Bride, groom के, best mate. Best mate तो नहीं बोलेगा? Best दुश्मन. अच्छा, anyway, he had the mala. So Kaki and Kaka didn't come to the wedding, okay? But they sent their daughter. They sent their daughter. I'm busy in the wedding. Everybody is busy in the wedding. Afterwards, when we start seeing the movies, then we saw there's this girl there who is just watching my brother. और मैया बप्पा भी खूब अच्छा उसके पोस्ट करके भेजी रहा उसके. I didn't know what's going on. How do I know? Till now I don't know what was going on. But when I saw those movies and the videos, I'm watching this girl. Nobody's looking at my wife there. My wife, beautiful wife. Wearing kapna saul. बोलिए सच्चा बात है. अच्छा विनय जीजा मोटर चलाता रहा. विनय जीजा मोटर चलावे वो खाली एक बोतल. हमारी शादी में भी लगेज भरा, फिर नीलेश की शादी में भी बेचारा लाचारी हो गया. He had to take it, you know. So don't say it was the fault of Nilesh or Kaki or Asika. It was the fault of the Maiya and Bappa. काय लड़की के केले भेजा रहा तुम लोग? पकड़ो वो लोग के. Anyway, so with those words, then Nilesh, of course, over here, his first job was, I still remember, and I always used to vouch for him. I called up somebody and I said, I want a job. And they thought it was me coming to the job. I had sent my brother, Nilesh. I hope you remember, we didn't rehearse this. Do you remember what was your first job here? Of Conchida. बहुत कमती पैसा मिला था. It's before pizza. Trolley boy. अरे हाँ, दिनेश भैया तो मैनेजर रहा. He will know that. Dinesh bhai was there, yes. Oh, दोनों जने रहा. But that was before, I'm saying, the trolley. Okay, that was the first job. Then after that, he continued progressing. Then we started working. Salim Jija was there. Uma bhaiya, एक आध रोज अनिल भी गया pizza बाटे. One time वो लगाई सुला चीज़ ऐसे करके अनिल. When Anil put on, because Nilesh, we wanted to get Nilesh in as well to that Pizza Hut job. So Anil, when Anil put that thing on, there's a thing you put on. He almost like dancer. ऐसे करके घूमे one time. He didn't do any pizzas. Anil, by the way, तबे आज तक नहीं है इसमें. Uma bhai भी एक आध रोज करीस रहा ना, वो मोटर रहा है. We were pizza boys that time. So we got him a job in the Pizza Hut. Then from there on, he started accelerating quite well. And then he bought his first truck. That was the first truck I had bought, a big one. And before that, he had a truck. And then we did a deal together. And after that, he now probably owns, I don't lose count how many trucks he owns. So round of applause for Nilesh for his success here. And now with those words, I'll probably imitate Aja. So Viru and Sandeep ni Aja, dono jane aap log naam niya. I'll do a song in the name of Aja for Nilesh. Viru, आ गया बेटा? नहीं काटी लोग आप.
एक जूता पहने संदीप.
सचिन कहाँ है? सचिन भी आ जाओ.
हिस्ट्री
I didn't rehearse too much, so please excuse me, but think of Nana and Aja right now, okay? And you will know the tune of the song and everything, so it's actually gonna be just... I want Aryan here. He was gonna say a few words. Quick, Aryan. Round of applause for Aryan. He's gonna say a couple of words for on behalf of Aja.
So listen to my Nana and clap when he sings and stay quiet when he says something.
Shut up. So he set the scene. You have to clap because there's not much music here, but we'll try the best. Badi suhani bela, badi suhani bela, aur sundar sajavat. Badi suhani bela, aur sundar sajavat. आज नीलेश जी के बर्थडे मनाए. आज नीलेश जी के 50th बर्थडे है. बड़ी सुहानी बेला और सुंदर सजावट. बड़ी सुहानी बेला सुंदर सजावट, आज नीलेश जी के 50th बर्थडे है, आज नीलेश जी के years के आज हुए हैं, आज हुए हैं। जीवन सुंदर मिला है उनको, मिला है उनको, जीवन सुंदर। नीलेशा सिक्का के जोड़ी बनी रहे, जोड़ी बनी रहे। ताजी अम्मा के आशीर्वाद है, आज नीलेश जी के 50th मनाए। ताली बजाओ। आज नीलेश जी के 50th मना है। ओ बड़ी सुहानी बेला, बड़ी सुहानी बेला, सुंदर है भोजन पानी, बड़ी सुहानी बेला, सुंदर है भोजन पानी, आज नीलेश जी के 50th बर्थडे है।
आज नीलेश जी के 50th बर्थडे है।
ओ अम्मा को भी याद करते हैं, पिताजी को तो याद कर। अम्मा अम्मा नमरिता नमन नयन हो,
अम्मा नमरिता नमन नयन हो,
सबको ऐसे खुशी रखे भाई,
सबके ऐसे खुशी रखो भाई,
मेहनत से अपने बिजनेस चलाते,
मेहनत से अपनी किस्मत चलाते,
मिंटो मंदिर के आशीर्वाद है, आज नीलेश जी के बर्थडे मनाए, आज नीलेश जी के 50th बर्थडे है। बड़ी सुहानी बेला, बड़ी
सुहानी बेला,
सुंदर सजावट, आज नीलेश जी के
50th बर्थडे, आज नीलेश जी की 50th बर्थडे है।
अच्छा हाथ उठाओ, कौन कौन न्यू साउथ वेल्स के नहीं है? हाथ उठाओ, कौन कौन न्यू साउथ वेल्स के नहीं है, चाहे ओवरसीज से आए से दूसरा स्टेट के। अच्छा क्वींसलैंड वाले देखा है, और कौन है? फिजी। ओ वही हम बोला जिसके जोन ज्यादा वही लोग के हम इंक्लूड करना। क्वींसलैंड और फिजी से सब परिवार आए, सब परिवार आए, क्वींसलैंड और भाई बहन और फ्रेंड्स आए, फ्रेंड्स और आए,
भाई बहन और फ्रेंड्स आए, फ्रेंड्स आए,
तेरो उमरिया बढ़े हमेशा, आज नीलेश जी के 50th बर्थडे है, आज नीलेश जी के 50th बर्थडे। ओ बड़ी सुहानी
सुहानी बेला सुंदर
सुंदर है रतिया, आज नीलेश जी के 50th बर्थडे है, आज नीलेश जी के 50th बर्थडे है, आज नीलेश जी के। एक और छोटा ला गाना है 2 लाइन के, जो उनके ताजी के बहुत प्यारा म्यूजिक ला, ताले बजाए हो तो बजा लो नीलेश के लिए और ताजी के लिए। ये वाला जो धुन है ताजी के बहुत फेवरेट धुन रहा। ओ शुभ दिन आया मेरे मन भाया, बैठ गए तेरो मनाए हो, ताजी यहाँ पर आए। शुभ दिन आया मेरे मन भाया, बैठ गए तेरो मनाए हो, आज यहाँ पर आए। ओ याद रखना वो दिन को, हम सलोबी के नंदी। कोई ध्यान दे तो समझी, सलोबी कहाँ पे है? अच्छा कहाँ पे है सलोबी? कहाँ पे है? कौन शहर में? नंदी में। कोई बोले लेकिन हम बोलता नंदी, जो शिव जी के नंदी। ओ याद रखना वो दिन को, हम सलोबी के नंदी। ओ शादी किया कब नंगा साऊ में, आज सब कुछ पाया। ओ लक्ष्मी मैया को हम याद रखे, लक्ष्मी मैया को हम याद रखे, बैठ गए तेरो मनाए हो, ताजी यहाँ पर आए। दिन आया मेरे मन भाया, बैठ गए तेरो मनाए हो, ताज यहाँ पर आए। उसी के साथ साथ पिताजी के यादें यहाँ पर नीलेश जी के